What quantity should be added to both sides of this equation to complete the square? Okay, 5 minus 5, 25, or negative 25. Here's my equation. Let's write it down a little bit bigger. Okay. Now, in order to complete the square, I want to have x minus something here. X minus what? Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So this is what I want to have. I want to have x minus 5, and then I want to be able to square that. Okay. Problem is I don't have the number here that I need to have. Okay. All right. I know negative 5 and negative 5 is a negative 10. But what is 5 times 5? Okay. So if I were to square this, you'd square the first. You'd have negative 5x and negative 5x is negative 10x. And negative 5 times negative 5 is a plus 25. Okay. So this is what I want this to look like so I can write x minus 5 squared. All right. Okay. So the answer to my problem is 25. Okay. 25. If you add 25 to both sides of this equation here, to this right here, you'll have this. Add 25 to this, you'll have your 29. Okay. But my answer is going to be 25. So the way you get that is you take half of the 10 and get negative 5 and think what would negative 5 squared be? That's my answer. The answer is plus 25. Now let's see how we apply this. Let's see how we apply this answer. So this answers the question, but what do you do with that? Well, what did we say to add? 25 here and 25 here. So this indeed gives me my x minus 5 here, but this is going to be 29. Okay, x minus 5 squared is 29. Okay. So x minus 5 is plus or minus the square root of 29. Okay. If you were to try to solve this for x, you take the square root of both sides of this. Okay, so you have plus or minus the square root of 29. All right. Now, to finish off and solve for x, we have to get rid of the what? The negative 5 by doing what? Adding 5 to both sides of the equation. So x equals 5 plus or minus the square root of 29. And that's solving the equation by completing the square. All right. Going back, what we needed to have here, x squared minus 10x plus what? 25. Okay.